Hey, don't mind my hair, okay? It's almost 7 p.m. Today is the 3rd of April, the year of our Lord 2022. As you know, we told you from last year that we'll be moving out of this place. So we have not gotten a room yet, but I know that inshallah I will move out. So I am dismantling my wardrobe. It is collapsible. The wardrobe is collapsible. Nature is not yet in. She went for a morning shift. They work is it 12 hours? Yeah, 12 hours. So she will be back any moment soon. So we are here, the two of us, manager. The two of us, yeah, this is it. As you can see, I am packing, but I am packing, but I want to start even before I take off the things. I want to detach the wardrobe door, no, is it door, whatever it's called. Yeah, I want to remove those ones first so that I can continue. As for the bed, the thief has been on my neck. He comes almost every night. Yeah, because I see signals and I didn't know it was from the thief. But once I saw him again, and because of that, I have moved out of the bed. Yeah, so the things that I am taking out, those are the ones that I've already taken out. One of the doors to the wardrobe. So that is the bed. I have collapsed it long time ago. I sleep on the floor. So that is it. You see, if there's one thing that I have learned from YouTube is to be self-dependent. Yeah, because I see my fellow women doing everything themselves. Yeah, this one, it doesn't have a manual, but I don't need a manual to learn how to take out screws. Mommy used to lighten. Hey.
If you ask me about what the box of the ring light is doing on the wardrobe top, I will tell you I don't know. I did the same thing with the tripod, and when I was moving out of Takoradi, when I threw the box away, it had the bag. That's bag. Something like this. The bag that you can put the tripod in and travel with. I threw it away together with the box, but this time, because of that experience, I remembered to check before discarding the box. This particular ring light has about 4 holders for the phone. No, there are three slots, so I can put 3 different phones on it at the same time, so I can record from different angles, but at the moment I use one. It is when you do decluttering or when you move out, then you know that you have been wasting money. I got this some years ago. I have never used it. I bought this in a dryer, but for the dryer, I think I have used it thrice or so. But this one, Lalai, I have never used it, but I purchased it with money. So about a month later, I decided to continue. So I am still going to dismantle it myself. I have told myself that things that I can do, I will not part with money, because money is not easy to come by these days. So if it's something that I can do, I will do it and make sure I do it well. I only call for an assistant when it is really, really important or needful to do so.
So finally, finally, the door is opened. We are stepping out of this place. Yes, this house. We are going to sleep here for the last time. It's the best Mother's Day gift ever. Yes, you don't know how happy I am. You may be wondering why. The thief has been disturbing me. He's been pestering me. So for over 2 months now, I have been sleeping in the hall again. There was one night he came around 1. Around 1, I saw a shadow in the window. Then I heard Ke. Then after some few seconds, I saw him trying to pull the curtains. Then I shouted, "Who is there?" And he ran away. Some people were saying I should have used a cutlass, I should have used, but you don't know your sister. I was so afraid. I was afraid I couldn't do anything. So this is us. I'm in Nechen's room. As you know, for me there, I packed 20 years ago. I packed 20 years ago. So this morning we went to the new house to go and do some cleaning. We all had low batteries. That's why we could not vlog. Yeah, but that is it.
Your girl's book.
The professor. This is where she's been doing her shakara movement. So this is her. So we are not done. And look at her. She's sleeping like nobody's business. So that is it. We are ready. We've taken down the TV. We are ready. This girl there, and they were meaning to me. So that is it. We are ready, not partially. This one there, we are 99% ready. We are on the move. Then we go. I remember your movement. Hey, mom, pose. Mom, pose. Pose. The old house. Guys. Hey. When you and you see to go, hey. Guys, we have partially moved in. We have partially moved in, and some days back I fell down. Some days back, I fell down. Today is Monday. Last Friday, I fell down. Oh, mommy is giving me a massage. Mommy, yeah. Yeah, mommy. Mommy was, I had bagged her and I was going to get cassava as usual. It was a rainy day. So I slipped and fell. Oh, mommy told me about. So far, it's been good. I have not been experiencing any pain until this packing out and packing in. Here now. So we are in. We have the heavy duties at the other side. So we brought the lightweight in. Me cheer me. Coco Melon is not me. Don't strike me with copyright. I need money. Mommy, it's our official morning here in Bavwani, Mebabeshe. So yesterday we slept here. We brought some of our things and we decided not to go back. So myself and mommy, we slept here. Nature went to work. So far, so good. It's been good. We thank God for everything. She just woke up and she's hungry, so she's not cooperating. I'll go to work. Yeah, I'll go to work.